Okay, magandang hapon. Ngayon ay Martes, August 26, 2025. So, breaking news ba ito na 3 hours ago na balitaan natin na na-relieve sa pagka Chief PNP si General Torre. Ito'y dahil daw sa hindi nasunod ang resolution order ng NAPOLCOM, no? National Police Commission. So, ang pumalit sa kanya ay yung balitang nilipat niya, tinanggal niya sa posisyon, no? Pero ito naman ngayon, next to him, yung si Tarnatis, na kung saan yung pagka-relieve ni Torre, ito ay ang pumalit sa kanya ay yung nirelieve niya sa posisyon na bilang second highest rank sa PNP na itong si Tarnatis. So, ulitin ko lang, si Tarnatis, yun yung pumalit ngayon kay General Torre. Maraming nagkakahaka kung ito ba'y demotion. So, kung tingnan natin, parang demotion kasi nirelieve siya. So, ang sabi nito, mamaya i-share ko sa inyo, mamaya ang sabi ni DILG Secretary Remulla, kasi nagpa-press con siya kanina, na it is a difficult decision made by the President dahil alam naman natin na maganda ang pinagsamahan nila, but siyempre in consideration with the things that must be observed, the totality of that para sa security apparatus, meaning yung papatakbo ng seguridad natin, ay mukhang mas minabuti talaga na i-relieve si General Torre bilang PNP chief. Batang Manila ang nagsabi na parang nag-isip siya na sa ngayon daw, sa pangyayari ngayon na relieve si General Torre, siyempre yung mga ayaw sa kanya, yung mga DDS, sabi niya, masaya ngayon. Pero who knows, meron daw palang, baka merong mas mataas na posisyon na i-assign kay General Torre dahil knowing na talagang nakatulong ng gusto ito si General Torre sa kampanya ng gobyerno. Sa iyo yung naging dahilan kung bakit nahuli ng gobyerno si Kibuloy, no, Pastor Kibuloy. So, may iba umaasa, yun si Batang Maynila, umaasa na baka merong mas magandang posisyon na kaabang, baka maging secretary ng so we do not know. Pero sana ganun, kasi we know naman kung gaano ka-dedicated si Torre. So baka lang, ito personal kong opinion, baka meron siyang medyo nasagasaan, no, na sa mga desisyon niya. Siyempre, although sinabi na hindi daw politics ang nasa likod ng desisyon ni Presidente Bongbong Marcos, pero possible na meron siyang, tingin ko lang, baka meron siyang nasagasaan na naapektuhan talaga ng medyo may sinasabi din na kung may tama mang punto ni General Torre, yung tao siguro na medyo nasagasaan niya ay medyo may punto o may impluensya din sa ibang aspeto, kaya kailangan para to cut the disagreement, kung sino man yun, ay nagdesisyon na lang ito si PBBM na i-relieve itong si General Torre. So, madaling salita, antayin natin, baka nga, sana nga, merong magandang mapwestuhan pa ito si General Torre, no? Kasi sabi naman ni kanina, mamaya i-share ko sa inyo, sabi ni
The palace affirms that President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. has made the difficult but necessary decision to relieve PNP Chief Police General Nicolas Torre III of his duties. The President believes that his national security apparatus must always work within the framework of the law. With the recent developments, the President was presented with the facts, and he determined that the best course of action is to uphold the role of NAPOLCOM as it was intended by law. As part of this resolution, the President decided to relieve Police General Torre. This was not an easy choice, but it was made in the national interest.
Secretary Remulla, DILG Secretary, yung kapatid ng DOJ Secretary natin, na ang option ni ay mag-retire, early retirement, or according to DILG Secretary John B. Remulla, kung tatanggapin, inoferan pala ito si General Torre ng cabinet position. Kung tatanggapin niya, magiging secretary siya, pero hindi sinabi kung anong posisyon ito, sa anong department to magiging secretary siya. Ni DILG Secretary. Okay, kalito-lito na ako kay DOJ Secretary. Kapatid niya, ito yung DILG Secretary. So, I forgot the first name yung DILG Secretary natin. Okay, so pakinggan natin.
Good morning, Sir G. Paano po if hindi po nag-retire si General Torre po? Kung ayaw din mag-retire, if he doesn't give up that rank or that position, that 4-star position?
That will be taken up by the NAPOCOM. However, I was privy to a conversation that the President is considering for another post in government, and we will know soon if General Torre will accept.
Okay, sir. Second, again, your question was anong rationale?
We will have to wait for the President to make the announcement. I'm not at liberty to... I actually don't know for a fact of what will be offered to him, but it has been brought about during our conversation that he is thinking of offering a position to the former Chief PNP. Yes.
Okay. The President said that, sir?
Yes.
Yung usapan nyo? Okay.
Yes, he has been considered for another position because the President still believes in his capacity, in his organizational strength, in his vast experience in the service. So the President believes that he can be of use in other positions critical to the nation's development.
Okay, thank you, sir.
If there are no more questions,